Right now I'm negotiating the price because prices are high little, but he's committing that he is going to give us discount for that room here. He's saying $140, but it is a little bit high. Anyway, we are going to discuss how he is going to do. Only good thing is there, the view of the nywangwe forest. You can see of nywangwe forest. See the flowers, beauty flowers. ये एक small shop है traditional चीज़ों की. You can buy those things, traditional things, from here. Those are the statues of the animal and mask. Those things are made by Rwanda. Made in Rwanda, and those things also are available here. You can buy those things also. There's this one also. Made in Rwanda, you can buy from here, but those things are a little bit expensive for us.